partner with OVEP, and we are really looking out to this partnership. As a teacher, I believe sports is the biggest unifier, and children learn as much as in playgrounds as they do in classrooms. And OVEP brings both sports and education together. With this partnership, we hope to positively impact the 250 million school-going children of India, reaching out to the remotest villages and regions of India, giving them options of a more disciplined, healthier, fitter and more ethical lifestyle. I think children are our future, and we need to give them the right to education and the right to play. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.